Look, everyone out here is making portfolio creation seem so complicated, like you need some big degree or coding skills. But the truth is, you can build a professional portfolio completely free in just 5 minutes. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Oh, you don't know coding? Doesn't matter. Oh, you need to hire a web developer? Absolutely not. Oh, you need to spend money on domain or hosting? Zero. You just need 2 free tools and your portfolio is ready. I've used this exact method to build my own portfolio that looks completely professional. Video background, testimonials, direct WhatsApp contact, everything included. And the best part? I send this link directly to my clients and they're instantly impressed. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to generate the perfect JSON prompt from Cloud AI that's 5,000 words detailed, how to use it on Lovenble.dev without any coding, and how to fully customize your portfolio for your niche, whether you're a video editor, graphic designer, or any freelancer. In just 5 minutes, your professional portfolio will be live. Let's get started. First, we need 2 tools: Cloud AI for prompt generation, Lovenble.dev for building the portfolio. Step 1. Create the perfect prompt in Cloud AI. Go to Cloud.ai and log in. Now, here's the main point. You don't want a normal prompt. You want a JSON prompt. Why? Because JSON prompts are highly detailed and computers understand them perfectly. So in Claude, type this: I want a professional portfolio website with a gradient blue and dark theme. At the top, I need a video showreel section. Include sections for services, testimonials with client photos, and contact options with my WhatsApp number, your number, and email, your email. Give me a detailed JSON prompt of 5,000 words for this portfolio. Hit enter and wait. It'll take some time because it's generating 5,000 words, but the result will be extremely detailed and professional. Step 2. Build your portfolio on Lovenble.dev. Once Claude has generated your JSON prompt, copy the entire prompt. Now go to Lovenble.dev. This tool is completely free and requires 0 coding. Paste your JSON prompt here and click Run. In just a few minutes, your professional portfolio will be ready, with animated sections, video background, everything. Step 3. Customize. It portfolio is built, perfect. Now customize it. Add your name and headline. Insert your showreel video link. Explain your services in the services section. Add client testimonials. Update WhatsApp and email. Everything is drag and drop. Absolutely no coding needed. Pro tips: always ask for 5,000 words. JSON prompt. More detail means better results. If you have a specific niche like thumbnail design, web development, or content creation, clearly mention it in your prompt. Once your portfolio is ready, save the link and send it directly to clients. So that's it, it's that simple. No coding, no investment, no hassle. Just 2 free tools and 5 minutes. Build your portfolio today and create a professional impression in your next client meeting. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more AI tips like this. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.